Good morning, children. Today we will learn the next key of dated 3, 3rd July dated class 6. Class 6. What is the topic? The topic is common. Community decision making in a tribe. Community decision making in a tribe, and the subject is social studies. So last time what did we learn? We have learned the features of the tribal people. Now today we are going to learn about the head. The head. Who is the head of a community? The head of the community is elected by punch. Elected by the punch. Now today we are going to learn about the punch and the features of the punch. Right, children? So the village headman. That means actually the village headman. Usually we call him as a partner. So the village headman, he gets some powers, like he can give a feast, or he can take some taxes, like that. He has some powers. From where do he derive his powers? From where do he derive his powers? He derive all of his powers from the punch, from the punch or the punch. And actually this punch or the punch, it is consisting about the adult male members only. Women or female members are not there. It is consisting of only the adult male members. That means those who are above 18. Okay. So that is so what is that? He gets all his powers from that is C, punch, and B, adult male member. So D is the right options. What is the D? B and C. B and C. That is the right option. So punch and punch is consisting of only the adult male members, right, children? And see here, these people, that is the woman, those who are there in the tribal areas, they can present their case. If they have any case, they can present their case. They can come and present their case. Sir, this is injustice, I have lost this, like that. They can present their case. They can present their case freely without having any problem. Nobody will criticize them. Okay, like that they can come and present their problem. They can come and present their problem. They can be the members of the punch. They can be the members of the punch. Second statement. But already we have learned that women members cannot be there in the punch. Only adult male members are there in the punch. No. So what is the second statement? Women members can be there in the punch. That is the wrong statement. So what is the wrong statement? Wrong statement is B. Women cannot be the members of the punch. So this is the option. Women can't be there in the punch. The children were allowed to come and watch the proceedings, whatever that is going on. So how they are deciding, everything they can watch. The children are allowed to come as spectators and watch the proceedings. And this punch, they will not meet regularly. Whenever there is some necessity, like they will say that suppose a festival is coming, okay, then they will meet. Like that, whenever there is a necessity, then they will meet. They will not meet regularly. Out of these four statements, which is the wrong statement? Woman can be the members of the punch is the wrong statement. Hence, B is the right answer. Okay, children. And see, the punch or the council, we can say the council. The council has certain functions. What are the functions? The punch can take up certain functions. So what are the functions a punch can take up? They can fix the dates of the major festivals like Polerama Jatara or means like Mamidi festival. Like this, they can fix up the dates for the festivals. They can fix the dates for the festivals. And at the same time, suppose anybody is going to get married in their tribe, they can give them permission. Okay, you can get married, like that they will give the permission. Or suppose they did not like that, they may reject also. Allow or reject marriage, or even divorce. Sometimes the people, they don't want to live together, they want to get divorced. Even that also will be taken up by the punch. So allow or reject marriage and divorce. This is the function of the punch only. At the same time, that is they will set down rules for the harvesting of the crops. Harvesting of the crops. harvesting, what the rules they will set down. So that is not the correct statement. That is not the function of the punch. So that is third one, option C, harvesting crops. Harvesting, that is not the function of the punch. That is not the function of the punch. And they will settle the dispute. That is also right one only. Next one is, see, the punch can punish in different ways. Whenever somebody is doing some mistakes, they will punish them. They can punish in different ways. See, which is not a way to punish them. They can punish them by imposing fines. You bring 2 or 3 tiger skins, or you bring the horns of like this, they may, the tusks of the elephant, like that they may ask so many things. Means of fines they may be imposed by them, or they may force a person to leave the village. You are not supposed to live here because you have done this mistake. You get out of this village. Like that they may expel. They may make them to leave the village. And all these, that means all these can be done. All these can be done. So which is not a method. Nothing is there. All are methods. So option D, none, is the answer for this question. Option D, none is the answer for this question, children. Okay, next, see, the dispute involves many villages. Suppose there is a dispute and it involved many villages, many neighboring villages of that particular tribe. Then how they will solve that? They will call for a joint meeting of all the punches. So all the punch of that particular villages will come and they will sit in a particular place and solve the problem. So joint meeting is organized. Joint panchayat is organized. That is the way they will solve the problem. Joint panchayat. And now children, you know very well that the punch or the tribal people, they have specific functions. Whenever a problem is getting solved, whenever a dispute is discussed, when they have to give the judgment, who will play a major role? Usually the elders in that particular village, the elders only will play a major role. So option A, elders, is the right answer. Option A, elders, is the right option. Children, now do you know, children, whenever how their case proceedings would be there? Case proceedings, how the cases are solved in a tribe, in a very democratic manner. First one, what? Presentation. The case can be presented by both. That is accused and the complainant. Accused means what? Who did that mistake? Complainant means who complained. So they will say, first of all, they will say their own version. This is what happened. Like that, complainant will say, and also accused also will say. And then afterwards, when they present the case, when they say the case, what happens? When they are saying that, some of the elders, they will cross-question them. They will ask, what happened? Why they will ask cross-questions? Then the real truth will come out. So cross-question is done to bring the real truth outside, to bring the reality outside. Then afterwards, the elders will pronounce the judgment. And after the judgment also, that particular accused, they will ask, can you do like this? Is this possible for you? Like suppose, for example, they will say, you bring 2 or 3 tigers. Can he bring? Not possible. So he has to accept that. Then the accused also will say, okay, I can do like this, like that. They will discuss. After the discussion, finally the judgment is given. And after this final judgment, what happens? Everybody will follow that. This is how the judgments are. See, very democratic, no? All are given choice. They will discuss together, they will punish the thing. In the textbook, they have given the case of a girl. A girl was stealing teased by a boy. She slapped that boy and he has pushed that girl down. The girl fell down and she brought that case to the punch. Then the punch, they asked the girl. The girl explained. They asked the boy. Boy also explained and he admitted the guilt. Yes, I have thrown that girl down, he said. So that means, okay, this is the problem. Tomorrow it should not repeat, because teasing the girl should not happen. No? So what did they decide? They decided that the boy should stand in the middle of the council and beg pardon to the girl. In front of the girl, he should beg. I'm sorry, I will not do like that. Like that, he has to pardon, and that was accepted by the girl. Okay, children, like this. That means everybody is given the right to present their case. After that, the elders will cross-question them. That brings reality outside, and then the elders will give the judgment. The choice is given for the accused to discuss on the judgment. Final judgment is given. Everybody will accept. So these are the steps, children. Tomorrow we will meet with one more key. Until then, children, good evening. Thank you.